is time to talk about the second clause of ISO 37001, which is normative references. It provides information on the documents that are indispensable for the application of the standard. This clause is typically concise and refers to other standards or documents that are necessary to understand and implement ISO 37001 correctly. For ISO 37001, there is generally only one primary normative reference, which is ISO 37001 itself. And this means that ISO 37001 is designed to be a standalone document, and it doesn't require the user to refer to additional external standards to implement its requirements effectively. For other standards, folks, you can find that in that section or in that clause of normative references, you can refer to other standards which can help you apply it. But here, for ISO 37001, the only normative reference is ISO 37001 itself. So that ISO is meant to be standalone document and doesn't require the user to refer to